Would you mind to upload the video after?
Yeah, no, don't worry.
I have
Yep. Yep.
I'll let you know.
Yep. Yeah, no worries. Ako na may naka-video, no? Ulaman sa ate. Alam mo naka-video na nag-gay? La. No worries, Jebe. Just tell me, ha? Just let me know, ha? Honey, don't touch bone.
Wala ko lang video, may moments din yun eh.
Yeah. It's real.
Yeah, I am also postponed.
At least I feel so kilig ba yan, good. Really.
Yes, I collect the items, you know.
Marunong gapagaw kung sinagit, de. Yeah. At least nag-second round like that. Memorable kayo, di Memorable kayo. Wala, naglag-balay. At least. Excuse me.
And you taste some Pokemon cards.
Yeah, tapos na kaming kumain. Then, tapos rin nag-unboxing sa mga gift. Sinako, bag, magyot.
You're happy, Liam?
You're so happy, Liam. Mini toys, mini animals, oh. Yeah, I'm sure your house full of animals na. Different kinds of animals. Kaliyang.
What do you need to wait this? If you just play the other one.
Look at small, medium, large. Look at that guys.
Yeah?
Small, medium, large. The animals be. Did you halata, Liam, nga mahilig ka sa toy as animals?
The following up today, you see this animals that is very plain. It's
Yeah.
Great for the animals. Always great for the animals.
Yeah.
How about there, mister?
Ani, later na, honey. You can relax. Later, you can clean later. But you can clean later. Merry Christmas, everyone. My sister is here. Kuya Gab-Gab. Ate Claire. Oh. Dal family is here also. Mr. Axel and Miss Gisa. Mrs. Gisa. Mrs. Gisa Dal. Liam. Jin TV. Jin TV so sexy, oh. Kasi nag-isa po si Jin TV sa iyong fan. Sa iyong room ba? Nag-isa. I'm doing live.
Yeah, this is good coffee.
Muna mo, la.
This has been in my office.
Oh, di na basura.
for 6 years. I have
It's not
always had
garbage.
coffee in my office. Because I got tired of a coffee machine. Because I was always in and out. So.
Advance Merry Christmas. Advance birthday cake ni Gisa.
Okay, coffee. This is yours.
Asri. Is it good? Wow, it's the name of Philippines.
Cheers.
There's a Philippines here.
Yeah.
It's unique. What? Oh, look at. Oh, careful. Gisa, look at. It's already fixed. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, you know how to do that? Oh, careful. Careful.
Good boy. That's definitely gonna give you a bruise or two.
Careful, na si Liam. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah,
Oops.
always good for that.
Sa edad ni Anissa, ni ang pagmangkon ni Sa, lisod siya kayo tanog regalo kay dili na to. Isa na maglisod ka ba? Nanang edad? Like age 8, 7, 10, it's hard to find gift for them.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's unlike Liam and Liam's toys, but like that age, I don't know. It's hard. Yeah, it's maybe show.
Teenage and
Yeah,
all kids that age do in Norway, they only play video games now.
yeah.
They don't even go outside to play anymore.
Yeah, that's why. It's better cash like that, so they're the one to.
Like when I was kid, every kid was out playing.
Mm-hmm.
Nowadays, I don't see kids out playing anymore. They just sit inside in each other's rooms and play computers.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, Liam! Let Liam to borrow. Can play together.
Yeah, but don't bother with that.
Oh.
That's from Jessa.
Yeah, but here in this place, no, not really big space for that. Outside. Try there outside.
Getting there, Jessa.
It's so cute. It's almost finished now.
She made an error. She don't know where the microphone goes.
The crown.
And she misses this too. She don't know where they
I think
go.
here.
No.
Okay. She says so. Oh yeah, it's very easy. Yeah.
I see.
Background.
It's so cute. I don't know if Liam can play like that. So it's tiny. Liam, where's your animals, Liam? Open this one, oh, have more. You want to open? You want me to open this one? Open?
Oh, yeah, no problem. Liam is happy, Liam is happy.
Okay, you love that. Liam will never excited to do that shit.
Oh, Liam don't really like that.
Oh, look at the animals. Small, medium, and large. Small, medium, and large. Wow. Pokemon? Pokemon?
Ask him.
What's the name? What's that? What's this? Huh? Probably not.
No, the other one he named Evie.
What is the
The
name?
other one,
What's that, Liam?
All have...
Sa gawas daw mo pagdula na Liam. Not here.
Rilo. Rilo.
Rhino, Liam!
Natanggal ang...
Rhino! Oh, see her, yeah. Thanks.
Yeah, look at to. Iha bigay. Oh. Wow.
Yep.
Nak, Lian. Don't play here. Oh, no. Small space for that.
You go outside, go.
No, go outside.
In the hallway.
Not here, Lian. Lian! I told you, not here.
Mabangga ka nila.
Mabangga ka na. Nasi Liam di ako matukan ni mamaligsan. Dili. Dili, mag-hard-headed. Kay, bawi ko na natin ni Jisa. Hello, Lian is trying to. Good evening, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Thank you for helping me, Jen. Thank you for helping me here, Jen.
Tired pa yan. Nagpapagaling nagising.
Alam nga, alas
Ako, 3 oras lang yung natulog ko. 3
oras
oras.
ang campus rin na. Pwede, hindi na siya mag-selfie. Wala na.
You are right, all right. You will fall. You will fall. Go.
Ah, the cake's green, ha? Oh! It's a green grass. What's wrong? Ano sabi? Sleepy.
Your boy is cranky than Exo. Because cranky is higher.
That's right. They are opposite of Lian. They are opposite of Lian. Yeah, I see. Understand, Liam. It's okay.
Yeah, we might have complete nice of your apartment, but it was nice though.
Stress na nagdaway. Nagdaway sila. Oh, my friend here.
Stress na yun.
Christmas, everyone.
Nag-live ka? Stress si Beko. Merry Christmas, Ling. Oh, cute kayo.
Patay na mo ng iyang
Ang miring-piring.
mga bilak man eh.
Oh, look at those heart. Nice.
No, that's for you. That's for Axel. Nakakita. Empty na nito. You need to kick that.
Be, makachug. What's wrong? Ay, labay na ron, Be. Ha? Katulog naman. Gitulog na, gitulog. 5 years old na siya. 4. Sleepy na si Liang.
Binuka naman ako.
Merry Christmas, Ling and Jean.
Hello po, May Belia, Ria, Pino. Hello po, kumusta po kayo dyan? And Merry Christmas po sa lahat ng mga nanonood po ng live stream ni Mami Lorraine.
Matura daw to dito. Ang problema, sakyan yung maglimang gulman na si Axel kay kapoy na baka na. Siya mag-taxi na lang daw. Baka manto daw ka. Ha? Na may parkingan dito. Maglimang gulo traffic ron kaya ang mga tao magkuha naman ron na nasa balay ba? Kapoy na. Pwede mo ta mag-maxim na ka. Takubag ba? Lagi sa jud kayo lagi. Try lang tag-maxim po.
Atong kuha na lang, right?
Ikip na, bi, kanay mong Ferrero, kanay mong chocolate, ikip na, kay memorable biyan na, kay kami na aksi.
Mag-away. Kaon.
Di na siya kanay seats. Di na siya kanay kay seats. Not into seats na si Jisa. Ano, ikip na lang na, kay memorable ba? Uli mo ka nung, totoo? Siya na pa yung muna ikaw. Tapa, Bio? Sa likod. Napasay mo likod. Ayan, panong lutoon. Ayan, panalang sa iyang ref. Pagaw ba kung gamay sinagit ganiya ay.
Balo, mamangkuran na si Liam ron.
Agoy.
Bago ka na o na, bago ka ng sisi.
Ay basaya ba ilaboy biya mahal gan abi.
Yes, ma'am.
Ha?
You guessed what was in you guessed what I'm hearing there. So you said that in
Yeah.
your mouth.
Yeah, you said yeah, I said that maybe that's a ring be. But that's the I don't expect that. Because you don't tell me, you don't tell Dan. Yeah, because I feel it. Like I feel something like OMG, it's like a ring or something special. So I guess that. You don't tell me even that, yeah? You don't. Apa cuk ko nakatagdan cuk ko pag ko. Ha? Ah, wajud ka expect oy.
Wala ka, tingnan Jess.
You don't expect ya?
Baka nakatik.
You don't notice ya? Ah, napila ni mo something na, something kwan. Nak sige sulod dia nak. I said not together because it's different house. Still neighbor. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, for your job, for your work. Yeah. Exactly, for your Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's like your workplace. Yeah.
Matulog sa ako kajak.
Hindi na tuloy. Ay, nagbilis sa kajak. Matulog sa diya. Matulog sa kajak. Yeah. Kasi nandun pang name view. Yeah, we are so happy for you guys. Ah.
I'm happy too because I'm a bit scared.
Don't be scared. Just scary. Just go with the flow. Yeah, that's like that.
You see her when she wakes up, you know.
Ay, nako. I feel so kilig. Oh my gosh. Oy. I think my prayers, answered prayers. Yeah. Ingat ba ko ni mo, Beng? Kasi kong kampo, Beng. Yeah, yeah.
I wanna keep denying it. Never happened.
Oh, yeah.
Fake news.
Fake news. Yeah. You will not believe that fake news. Uy, fake news. Ah? Ah, natin color book. Nagaro sa kwarto niya yung butang. Lukat, is protective. Oh, Lian, og dili ka magpabaro, ikip na lang na. Pwede ka makapaiyak, ha? Kaya na, good mood na si Liam. Yeah. 2026. Supposedly this year, but they gave us the time for me and for Dan. That's why I get married first before them. Yeah. Because in our culture, it's not good that siblings getting married together in just in 1 year. Like, yeah.
If that happens, we're not blame each other, of course. Marriage probably not.
Matulog ko.
Yeah. Nakita kong liog.
I still don't understand what gold still. Kasi my country survey is bad.
What time mo lakaw?
No.
Sure
ba?
Ang ano kanang atong kamera klaro kaya itong mga malis mo pimples. Ang iPhone direct makara kayo mga nani. Di man lang filter, mo filter. Di na filter, you see? Hindi ko kapag filter, siguro pagkita ka na ma-filteran ba wala mga pimples. No need ng filter eh, wala.
Sometimes na
Dan is basically ni. Nana na siya. Amin naman siya gamay. Mapin na siya banding basta inani. Pero kanang mato nagawa sa nang dili na siya. Brother and the front mother. Cheers. Happy na. Birthday pa.
Hello po sa nag-Merry Christmas dyan. Merry Christmas po sa lahat. Tingnan niyo yung mga ano namin ha. Sobrang ano na namin, very haggard look. But it's okay. Kasi mamaya is kailangan namin na mag-retouch. Yes, magre-retouch. Manghingi ako ng toothpaste ni ano, ni Mami Owen. Wala pa tong toothbrush. At Tapos mag-background yung Christmas Drain TV. Thank you so much po, Ima Katigan. Merry Christmas din po sa'yo. Merry Christmas, Ling and Jisa daw. Thank you so much. Ako na, thank you so much. Ano ba yan? Ayan. Oh, di ba? So, sige. Free shout out po tayo ngayon, guys. Dahil Christmas, ay bigyan ko kayo ng isang halik. Ang problema, paano ko kayo halikan? Halikan ko kayo dito sa camera. O, ayan. Sige. Ano pang mga handaan ninyo ngayon? Merry Christmas! Panahon ko ng pagmamakalan at pagbibigayan. Dahil mamaya ay kaarawan po ni Jesus Christ. Mga Katolik. Ayan. Sobrang maingay dito. O, diba? So, praise Priscilla Baptista Iscano, Grace Cappuccino Andres, Gisa Daw is in the house, in Mami Ling. Oh, diba? Sige. Magandang gabi po. 11 million in the house. Ayan. Everyone is busy here. Tapos na po kami kumakain, guys. Chika moment. Oh, sexy ni Mami Ling. Tignan nyo. Mukha natin, guys. Matutulog na ba? Inaantok na ko 3 hours lang yung natulog. Tulog ko ngayon. Today. Hindi ako natutulog. 3 hours lang.
Gawang may paingdan kay
Yes.
yan bata pa idea man. Ito rin sa holo ko. Nak. Di mo kadok sa holo. Yes. Di mo kadok sa holo ko.
Ayan lang pala mga door. Ayaw kang nakmak sa door ha.
Sina. Di mandok man yan. Kina kuya na bitaw kasi kina.
Money is.
Oh no. There's 2 of them.
Look is now.
What's wrong with this?
Ah, look at also done. Like a kid. Our neighbor, honey. Our neighbor, up and down. Maybe they're always making love and making.
Ethan Arianes, Merry Christmas, Mom Ling and family. Merry Christmas po din sa iyo. Merry Christmas po sa ating lahat.
Yeah. So let know I come here, everybody. Come on. Welcome. Yeah, we do like
Like a
that.
signal, like
Very good neighbor and very welcome. We do it very simple in Norway, right?
Yeah.
Very simple people.
Ha? Ay, pamassage. Uy, kamoning nakakuha na ako. Tumor. Sige, pamassage. Kanang sige, pamassage kasi muli ko. Baka tumor. Dali. Katong una magod kay, katong wala pa kong tumor. Sige, pamassage. Tama mo? Manot brush ko. Dili, kuhaan lang ako. Nakoy toothbrush man. Toothpaste lang ako. Manglakad na tama.
Hello, sexy naman ka na. Mag-word ka? Ha? Ano bisa ka? Bilis. Maglakaw taron. Nagpaputo ron si Kuan, nagpaputo ron si Manang Tay. Nagpainom pa man sa gainom pa. Yap. Ito sa bathroom dyan, ay toothpaste ito.
Tanong kayo.
Hiyak gamay dahil mong tami. Ano nantiyan na? Nabantayan. Ako di madalag hiyak, oy. Makan silang meeting. Ayaw taon. Ano, no cancel daw, be? Ha? Gilabay lagi ang wedding. Engagement ring. Gilabay. Kailan ba ito? Oh, yeah, good. A, B. 19,000? Yeah, that's a lot, huh? And you just throw away the money. 19,000.
Oh, Jod, saan mo pagkita? Wala, Jod. Wala ko to.
Napunitan to lain na guro.
Tulog tayo man, nasa pilar.
Madlak man nganong ima pong gilabay nga engagement ring. Lagot kong sunod. Di ako mo na ilabay ay may pa iprinda ka sa ilabay baligya. Di ba guys? Iuli. Jesus sa sexy Jesus sa sexy. Sexy baby. Muhilak ba na siya bigani no?
Ano tayo play?
Ha?
Ikaw tayo mali?
Ikaw, ano hipasugan?
Labi na rin.
Katong tayo ma'am, hipasunta ka? Wala, try lang. Just go with the flow naman. Ako guys, kung mag-away man kami sa aking husband, I will never throw away my ring. This is expensive. Yeah. Why should I throw away? It's better to go pawn shop. Better than to throw away. Just wasting the money.
You must interpret the owner.
No need to return. Why did I need to return? This investment. Yeah, I got 2 wedding ring. Yeah, because the first wedding ring, the first wedding ring is couple wedding ring. I bought that online. When I arrived, I don't like because it's little like wide. It's not good for my fingers. So that's why it's okay for me if you don't. Yeah, because I'm so tiny fingers. So yeah. Pindi na kayo. Yeah. So that's why I have 2 wedding rings. Happy birthday daw, be.
Thank you. Ingon ko nga naman.
Busy og chika. Yeah, but honey, I really like this ring. This is the second ring for a wedding. I really like it. Yeah, but it is more expensive than as I said. Yeah, and good. I like this. Yeah, so that's why I have. We are not couple ring now. It's different, and now it is different. It's not that same. Dahil ako wedding ring. Okay, madalawa yung wedding ring ko guys. Kasi sa una is hindi ko hindi siya.
Open. Ma-open na.
Ha? Ako? Ako di ba?
Ma-open. Please, ma. Open, ma. Please.
Isa siya. Ano sabot? Malit ko ring. Asa ko di palitan? Atong nagi kay nag-online ko. Di ko ganahan kana nani dan. Kini kay sa mall di na ko ipalit.
Open na.
Dara ko sa nang ayala mall karon ya. 40 kayo ya. Ha? Mo kwanto siya kanang sulod sa mall. Nang mamahal. Palit ka? Kani 40 kayo ni. Ako, ding. Baga man guni. Ano to? Online? Ako sa. Pwede man na customize. Ako di ko mag-customize kay ano. Pagbulag mi, babaligya man ako ni. Pag og nanay ngalan, lisod kay baligya. Sama guys. Okay kayo na. Ay, para siya, duha na siya. Okay, isa raman niya ako kay. May kaduha naman ako ning ring. Iskot tag masingsing. Yeah, tomorrow pa, honestly guys, tomorrow pa ang birthday ni Jisa. 25 pa yung birthday niya. So nag-ano lang kami ngayon, advance. Nag-advance lang kami ngayon dito kasi parang yung Christmas at yung ano na lang ba, together na lang namin. Merry Christmas, Ma'am Ling and family. Hello, Ethan. Hello, everyone. Diya lang yan. Okay na customize diya. Pero basta ko ningon ako, i-customize ang tanan ko, tanan mo ka ng date or name. Ako una sabi na ako, magbulag, hindi ako maprinta, hindi ako mabaligya, di ba? Hindi ting mag-wedding ring ta, wala yung ngalan, wala tanan. Customize nga kwan, Style, Yeah, yeah. Ako isa ka biding-ding, nara di akong gikipusan. Ako, kung magkagipit-gipit, pwede mo na okay na, hindi na ako naiwari, of course, kaya mamaya yung ganahan. And guys, aba kayo sa chika-chika lang ni guys. Merry Christmas, mamiling. Hello, Gisa Toquero Lozano. Merry Christmas. Nagkaintindihan yung dalawa doon, oh. Yung dalawang afam. Ito pong dalawa, oh, chika-chika. Mutukan man guna si Axel usahay. Si Kikim? Kikim? Oy. Oy. Guys, napagaw na ko. Ano rin kami ngayon guys, mag-transfer mi sa place ng kapatid ko. Di man ko iskandalosa si Gisa? Dili siya yung iskandalosa. Pabot siya dire, kabalo mo drive, kabalo lagi mo drive, abot na niya. Wala, ilaw na lang. Live lang. Ano mo? Yan guys, ayan ko na to guys. Kaya getting ready pa ko guys. Advance Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas everyone. Sama. Yan. Mag-chika-chika kami dito. Enjoy, enjoy. God bless you all.